Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 best robot vacuums. From powerful suction to smart features and long-lasting battery life, these robots are designed to make your cleaning tasks easier than ever. Let's take a closer look. Item number 5. Introducing the Node 622A new upgraded sweeper, a multifunctional intelligent robot that combines sweeping, mopping, and ash suction. With strong suction power, low noise, and a 60-minute battery life, it ensures a thorough clean on universal floor tiles. This sleek 6-centimeter thin design easily handles common debris like beans, crumbs, hair, and dust. Its high-capacity battery covers up to 80 square meters, and the upgraded motor offers faster rotation with quieter, more efficient cleaning, perfect for long-lasting, deep cleaning. Item number 4. Introducing this compact and intelligent mini vacuum cleaner, featuring a slim 18-centimeter diameter and 5 centimeters thickness. With surging suction power and a dust-collecting brush, it's perfect for cleaning wooden boards, tiles, short carpets, and marble surfaces. This smart vacuum starts with one click, offering hassle-free operation. It comes with a large-capacity lithium battery, providing 20 minutes of continuous cleaning after a 100 to 200-minute charge. Enjoy efficient automatic cleaning with a working decibel of just 55 dB, making it ideal for any home. Item number 3. Meet the Node 622A new upgraded sweeper, a multifunctional robot that sweeps, mops, and suctions ash with ease. Offering strong suction, quiet operation, and a 60-minute battery life, it's perfect for cleaning all types of floors, including tiles. With a slim 6-centimeter design, it efficiently cleans common debris like crumbs, dust, hair, and more. Its high-capacity battery ensures stable power for up to 80 square meters, while the upgraded motor provides faster, quieter, and more powerful cleaning performance. Item number 2. Discover the ultimate cleaning experience with this intelligent sweeping robot. Featuring powerful suction, sweeping, mopping, and vacuuming functions, it ensures a deep clean across all floor types, including wood and tiles. With a slim body, 1200 mAh battery, and 90-minute working time, it easily handles corners and obstacles. Its touch control, wet and dry mopping, and efficient dust collection make cleaning effortless. The robot crosses obstacles up to 20 millimeters, delivering a quiet, powerful, and thorough clean with minimal noise. Item number 1. Introducing the iLife robotic vacuum, designed for efficient wet and dry cleaning. Featuring a Li-ion battery with a 2-hour runtime and 40-watt power, it offers excellent performance. The dust box holds less than 0.5 liters and uses a bagless dust storage system. With a planned cleaning route and wireless operation, this robot is perfect for hassle-free cleaning. It's certified with RoHS and CE standards, ensuring quality and safety. Ideal for various home environments, the iLife vacuum combines innovation with practicality. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.